Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to replace the engine air filter. The vehicle we're working with today is a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited with a 3.3 liter engine. Now this procedure can also apply from the 2007 to 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe's regardless of variation or trim. The procedure should all be the same for each one. I'm going to provide everything you need, ranging from part numbers, and I'm going to show you everything step by step, clear as day. So let's get to the video. Alright, so the location of our engine air filter is going to be on the right side of your engine underneath this guy right here. This is where your engine air filter is. Now that we have located it, let's replace it. Alright, so now that we know where the air filter is, how do we remove it? Well, first off, there are 3 clips holding this down. One here, and then one in the back of this corner. Now in this corner we don't have a clip, but there is what I call a hold down. It's a little slot that you slide the air filter into, and it kind of keeps it down like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to release these 3 clips, and whenever we lift this out, we're going to slide it out first and then up. So here's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Like I said, slide it out and then up, and lo and behold, here's our air filter. Just grab it, lift it on out, set that down, grab your new air filter. When it comes to installing the air filter, pretty much the reverse order. Pick up the top end of your air box, set your air filter down like so. See how that big chunk is on the bottom? You want the top to be flush like that. Slide the air filter into the slot, or your upper air box into the slot. Make sure it's nice and seated and it's flush. Now we'll install the clips. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, you've finished replacing your air filter. Alright, thank you so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped you out and that you learned something new. If y'all happen to need anything like owner's manuals or other tutorials or procedures, be sure to check out my website, caswellskappa.wixsite.com. Yes, it's mainly for the Kappa platform, but I also do other procedures for other vehicles, so be sure to check that out, just in case you have something else that you need to do or need to do something. Alright, well that's all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all next time. Until then.